Okay, today I'm going to be doing a bike check. It's a bit windy today, so if it sounds windy on the camera, I apologize, but I cannot do anything about it. But anyway, I got some new parts from Danscomp recently. I did a Danscomp unboxing of those parts. But those are what the new parts look like on my bike. So starting from the top, I've got the Conspiracy Vultus handlebars in 8.5-inch rise. Got ODI long neck grips with ODI bar ends. A profile acoustic stem, and a stolen vortex fork bolt. Let's see, I've got the Odyssey gyro with Odyssey lower cables. Oh, whoops. And then spool rod brakes, Odyssey M2 lever with the cables it came with. Then we've got the stolen cherry frame and stock Eastern fork that was on my old bike. And then we've got Maxxis Grifter tire. And then we have the new wheels, front and back, but they're both fly rims. This is a fly front rim, the profile SS mini hub. And then I might as well do the rear rim right now. We've got fly rims. This is the rear one. And then I've got a profile SS mini cassette hub. Both wheels have just normal Sapim black spokes from Danscomp. And let's see, I guess we'll start here. I've got my old original stock Eastern seat that came with my old bike. A Shadow Conspiracy SEATPOst. Kink cable holder. Odyssey cable hanger. Just Odyssey O2 brake arms. Odyssey Slim by 4 brake pads. Just all Odyssey brakes pretty much. I've got the Hamilton pedals in plastic. And we've got the stock Eastern Nomad cranks. Let's see, moving over here, I've got the stock Eastern sprocket. I can't remember which one this specifically is, but I think this is the Medusa light sprocket, but I can't remember. And I've got the KMC cool chain with a K, and I believe that's it. So that's my new bike. It weighs, I don't know, maybe 24 pounds. Still could change some stuff to make it a little lighter, like the fork and stuff, but that's what my bike. I'll go ahead and walk around it right now. Can't really step any further off, but I'm planning on getting some white forks. Still deciding on chain and sprocket, but I might do another bike check once I get the fork and some other stuff, but we'll see. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I guess I'll show you some clips now. Yes!